A blessed day, learners. Get ready as we embark on a journey of learning and enjoyment in this video. Today, we will study 10 items from TLE, Technology and Livelihood Education, through the Let Reviewer Set 5B. Stay safe, and may God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. In what instrument is the ohm meter found? A. Ammeter. B. Capacitor tester. C. Tube tester. D. Vom. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is D. Vom. Explanation. A Vom, voltomilliammeter, is a type of multimeter that combines 3 different measurement functions into one instrument. It can measure voltage, volts the V in Vom; current, amps the M in Vom, where M stands for milliamps, a subunit of current measurement; resistance, ohms the O in Vom. An ohm meter specifically measures electrical resistance, which is measured in ohms. Therefore, when the question asks in what instrument an ohm meter is found, the correct answer is the Vom, as it includes the functionality to measure resistance, ohms, along with voltage and current. The other options, ammeter, capacitor tester, and tube tester, do not typically include the ability to measure resistance in ohms. Here's a brief look at why the other options are incorrect. Ammeter measures current, amperes, only. Capacitor tester measures the capacitance of capacitors. Tube tester tests the function and quality of vacuum tubes. Hence, the ohm meter functionality is found within a Vom multimeter, making D. Vom the correct answer. From what part of the ohm meter do your resistance reading? A. Pointer. B. Range multiplier. C. Reading scale. D. Test probes. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is C. Reading scale. Explanation. An ohm meter measures the resistance in a circuit and displays this measurement to the user. Here is what each part of the ohm meter does. Pointer, this is the needle that moves across the reading scale to indicate the measurement. It does not provide the reading itself but shows the position on the scale. Range multiplier, this adjusts the range of resistance being measured, allowing the ohm meter to measure very high or very low resistance values. It does not show the actual resistance reading but changes the scale to the appropriate range. Reading scale, this is the marked scale on the face of the ohm meter where the resistance value is read. The pointer moves across the scale to show the measurement. Test probes, these are the leads or wires that connect the ohm meter to the circuit or component being measured. They do not display the resistance reading but facilitate the measurement. Therefore, the part of the ohm meter from which you read the resistance value is the reading scale. This is where you look to see the measurement indicated by the pointer. Which instrument serves as 3 measuring instruments in one? A. Audio generator. B. Oscilloscope. C. Signal generator. D. Vom. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is D. Vom. Explanation. A VOM, voltomilliammeter, is an instrument that serves as three measuring instruments in one. It combines the functionalities of voltmeter, measures electrical voltage, volts. Ohmmeter, measures electrical resistance, ohms. Ammeter, measures electrical current, milliamps or amps. Therefore, a VOM can measure voltage, resistance, and current, making it a versatile and multifunctional tool in electrical and electronic testing. Here's why the other options are incorrect. A. Audio generator, generates audio signals, typically for testing audio equipment, but does not measure voltage, resistance, or current. B. Oscilloscope, displays and analyzes the waveform of electronic signals but does not measure resistance or typically provide direct measurements of voltage and current in the same way as a VOM. C. Signal generator, generates electrical signals with varying frequencies and amplitudes for testing purposes but does not measure voltage, resistance, or current. Therefore, the instrument that serves as three measuring instruments in one, voltmeter, ohmmeter, and ammeter, is the VOM. Which device produces simple waveforms? A. Audio amplifier. B. Signal generator. C. Signal tracer. D. VOM. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is B. Signal generator. Explanation. A signal generator is an electronic device that produces electronic signals with set frequencies and amplitudes. These signals can be simple waveforms such as sine waves, square waves, and triangular waves, which are fundamental types of waveforms used in testing and designing electronic circuits. Here's why the other options are incorrect. Audio amplifier, amplifies audio signals but does not generate waveforms. Signal tracer, is used for troubleshooting and tracing signals through a circuit but does not generate waveforms. VOM, voltomilliammeter, measures voltage, resistance, and current, but does not generate waveforms. Therefore, a signal generator is the device specifically designed to produce simple waveforms, making B. Signal generator the correct answer. What is another name for connection diagram? A. Block diagram. B. Pictorial diagram. C. Schematic diagram. D. Wiring diagram. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is D. Wiring diagram. Explanation. A connection diagram, which illustrates how different electrical components are connected to one another, is also known as a wiring diagram. It shows the actual connections and physical layout of the components, including how wires are run between them. This type of diagram is essential for understanding the physical connections in an electrical circuit. Here's why the other options are not correct. A. Block diagram, represents the system with blocks and shows the relationships between different system components but does not show the physical connections or wiring. B. Pictorial diagram, uses pictures of components to show their locations and connections, but it is more focused on a visual representation rather than the detailed wiring. C. Schematic diagram, shows the electrical relationships between components using standardized symbols but does not typically show the physical layout or exact wiring connections. Therefore, a connection diagram is also known as a wiring diagram, making D. Wiring diagram the correct answer. Which equipment is used to discharge electrical charges produced by the human body? A. Audio generator. B. ESD. C. Signal generator. D. Vom. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is B. ESD. Explanation. ESD stands for electrostatic discharge. It refers to the sudden flow of electricity between two electrically charged objects caused by contact, an electrical short, or dielectric breakdown. In the context of the question, equipment designed to manage or discharge electrical charges produced by the human body is specifically related to ESD. Here's a brief look at the roles of the other options and why they are incorrect. Audio generator. This device generates audio signals and is typically used in audio testing and troubleshooting. Signal generator. This device generates electrical signals of various frequencies and is used in testing, designing, and repairing electronic devices. Vom, voltomilliammeter. As discussed previously, a vom is a multimeter used to measure voltage, current, and resistance. Therefore, the equipment used to discharge electrical charges produced by the human body is related to ESD, making B. ESD the correct answer. Which term refers to the set of rules practices to ensure no accident prevention? A. Action plan. B. Policy order. C. Rules and regulation. D. Safety practices. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is D. Safety practices. Explanation. Action plan. This typically refers to a detailed proposal for achieving specific goals, often in a business or project management context. It outlines steps or actions to be taken but does not specifically refer to accident prevention. Policy order. This term could refer to a directive issued by an organization or authority, outlining policies to be followed. While it could include safety-related policies, it is not specifically focused on accident prevention. Rules and regulations. This term refers to the formal guidelines and laws that govern behavior and practices within an organization or society. While these can include safety-related rules, they encompass a broader range of topics beyond just accident prevention. Safety practices. This term specifically refers to the set of procedures, guidelines, and best practices designed to ensure safety and prevent accidents. It encompasses all the measures and practices aimed at maintaining a safe environment and reducing the risk of accidents. Therefore, safety practices is the term that directly refers to the set of rules and practices designed to ensure no accidents occur, making D. Safety practices the correct answer. What is the best place to find electronic hand tools and equipment that balance portability? A. Tool bag. B. Toolbox. C. Tool cabinet. D. Tool room. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is A. Tool bag. Explanation. When considering the balance between portability and the ability to store electronic hand tools and equipment, a tool bag is the most suitable option. Here's why. Tool bag. Designed for portability, tool bags are lightweight and easy to carry. They typically have multiple compartments and pockets to organize various tools and equipment. They are perfect for technicians and electricians who need to transport their tools frequently to different job sites. The other options are less portable. Toolbox. While it can be portable, toolboxes are generally more rigid and can be heavier and bulkier than tool bags. They are less convenient to carry around, especially over long distances or through tight spaces. Tool cabinet. Designed for stationary use, tool cabinets are large and often on wheels for easy movement within a workshop or garage, but they are not intended for portability outside of these areas. Tool room. A dedicated space or room for storing tools and equipment, which is not portable at all. This is ideal for organization and storage within a fixed location but not for transporting tools. Therefore, for the best balance of portability and storage for electronic hand tools and equipment, a tool bag is the correct choice. What tools are not recommended to be used in electronics works? A. Brand new tools. B. Branded tools. C. Damaged tools. D. Locally produced tools. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is C. Damaged tools. Explanation. In electronics work, the precision, reliability, and safety of tools are paramount. Here's why the other options are not generally problematic. A. Brand new tools. New tools are typically in good condition, reliable, and safe to use. They have not suffered any wear and tear and should perform their functions accurately. B. Branded tools. Tools from reputable brands are usually of high quality, durable, and come with guarantees or warranties. They are designed to meet industry standards and provide reliable performance. D. Locally produced tools. Locally produced tools can vary in quality, but if they meet necessary standards and are in good condition, they can be suitable for electronics work. The key consideration is their functionality and safety, not their origin. C. Damaged tools. Damaged tools are highly discouraged in electronics work for several reasons. Safety. Damaged tools can pose safety hazards such as electrical shocks, cuts, or other injuries. Accuracy. Damaged tools may not perform their functions correctly, leading to inaccurate measurements, poor connections, or damage to electronic components. Reliability. The integrity and reliability of damaged tools are compromised, increasing the risk of tool failure during critical tasks. Therefore, damaged tools are not recommended for use in electronics work due to the significant safety risks and potential for compromised work quality. Which type of lines is used to show mechanical linkage between components or part components on schematic diagram? A. Connecting lines. B. Dashed lines. C. Medium lines. D. Thin lines. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is B. Dashed lines. Explanation. In schematic diagrams, different types of lines are used to represent various types of connections and relationships between components. Specifically, connecting lines, A. These are usually solid lines used to show electrical connections between components. Dashed lines, B. These are used to indicate mechanical linkages or non-electrical relationships between components. This type of line often represents parts that move together or have a mechanical relationship. Medium lines, C. This term isn't standard in the context of schematic diagrams and doesn't specifically refer to any particular type of line in common usage. Thin lines, D. These can be used for a variety of purposes, including dimension lines, leaders, or less significant connections, but they are not specifically indicative of mechanical linkages. Thus, for indicating mechanical linkages between components in a schematic diagram, dashed lines are used, making B dashed lines the correct answer. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic on technology and livelihood education. Let Reviewer. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.